Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up an OpenVPN server on HTTP custom VPN for fast, reliable, and secure browsing. If you've ever struggled with finding a free VPN setup that works smoothly, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll have your own VPN connection running without any confusion. Let's begin with the setup. First, open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type HTTP custom and press enter. From the search results, tap on HTTP Custom VPN and download the latest version. Once installed, launch the app. You will now be on the home screen of HTTP Custom VPN. Next, look at the top left corner of the app and click on the hamburger icon. From the connection section, tap on VPN settings to proceed. But before we move forward, we need an OpenVPN server configuration file. Let's create it. Go back to the Play Store and search for VPN servers. Download any reliable app that provides OpenVPN configuration files. Once downloaded and installed, tap on Open. If for any reason you cannot find a server app on the Play Store, you can always download a config file from websites such as UDP Custom or other trusted sources. After opening the VPN server app, make sure your data is active, then load the servers. Select any server you like and tap on Export to save the OpenVPN configuration file. This will be stored in your Downloads folder. Now return to the HTTP Custom VPN app. On the bottom right corner, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it, then select the option OpenVPN to import the configuration file you just downloaded. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the config file to import it successfully. Once the file is imported, click the Connect button. Within a few seconds, your VPN will connect. You can monitor the logs by swiping left, and to confirm your new IP address, you can visit websites such as What's My IP? That's it. You have now successfully set up an OpenVPN server using HTTP Custom VPN. This method ensures you enjoy a secure and stable browsing experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.